In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view daily active users in Mixpanel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to select so you can see how many people are active on your product each day. First, open Mixpanel and head to your project. You'll land on the home area, which is your starting point for analysis. From here, create a fresh report so you're not editing anything existing. Click Create New to start building what we need for daily active users. Next, choose Insights. This is Mixpanel's go-to workspace for time-based analysis and is perfect for tracking daily trends like DAU. Think of Insights as a flexible chart builder where you define what you want to count and how to visualize it over time. Inside Insights, look for the query builder and click Select Metric. This is where you tell Mixpanel what should be counted. For daily active users, we care about unique people, not just raw event volume. You can use the search box to quickly find the metric you want. Try typing terms you use for engagement, like active, session, or your key event names. Searching helps ensure you're using the event that actually represents a user being active in your product. If your project organizes metrics by categories, you can also expand the profile section. Click on Profile, then choose User Profile. Selecting a user-centric metric helps Mixpanel focus the analysis on people rather than just events, which aligns well with the idea of daily active users. With your first metric set, add another for extra clarity. Click Add metric to compare or reinforce your definition. In the list of events, choose Session Start as the second metric. Session Start is a common signal for activity because it captures the moment a user begins interacting with your product that day. When paired with a user-based perspective, this gives you a reliable view of daily actives. Once your metrics are in place, the chart and insights will display the trend over time. You should see data broken out by day, giving you a clear line or bars that represent daily active users. If you're new to Mixpanel, remember that DAU is fundamentally about unique people active per day. Using Session Start alongside a user-focused selection helps ensure you're measuring individuals, not just repeated events. A couple of quick tips as you review the chart. Make sure your date range covers the period you care about and confirm that the trend looks reasonable for your traffic patterns. If you need to refine later, you can apply filters or segments to focus on specific platforms, regions, or cohorts. That's it. Your daily active users are now visible in Mixpanel.